What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of building an aesthetic physique that will turn heads and make you feel confident in your own skin. So, grab your workout gear and get ready for an exciting journey toward achieving your dream body. Attractiveness versus aesthetics. The most attractive male body. Surveys have shown that women prefer naturally fit and athletic men over bodybuilders with contrived physiques. They also prefer musicians with deliberate exercise, such as Henry Rollins and Brad Pitt in Fight Club. However, there is a miscommunication between women and men, as women prefer guys who look like they lift weights, rather than those who are naturally fit and athletic. The most aesthetic male body. Women generally dislike bodybuilders and fitness models who appear too muscular or lean. They prefer fit, active guys who lift weights. Romance novel covers and magazines show that women are drawn to physiques that are slightly leaner and more muscular than average. Men's health is a compromise, showcasing men who are strong enough to look cool to other men without being too muscle-bound. However, once a fit physique is achieved, it will not make you more attractive to women, as it won't make you healthier or more athletic. The ideal male body weight, BMI. To achieve a body weight goal, consider your BMI. Women prefer men with a BMI of 24.5, while men prefer a BMI of 25.9. Maintain a lean, muscular body with a 9 to 18% body fat percentage for optimal health. Use your own judgment and start with a lower BMI for bulking or a higher BMI for cutting. How muscular should you get? How muscular should a man be? Muscularity is innate and cultural, with upper body muscles being particularly prized. It is universally attractive and reflects our ability to dominate and protect others. Muscles symbolize a lifestyle of health and abundance, requiring dedication, consistency, and self-control. How long does it take to become muscular? Gaining muscle quickly is a significant step towards becoming a stage-ready bodybuilder. The first 20 pounds of muscle gain significantly impact your appearance, and with newbie gains, it's easy to achieve. Gradually build muscle, aiming for your genetic potential, taking 2 to 3 years of hypertrophy training, and maintaining a healthy bulking diet. Can men get too muscular? Women favored stronger, more capable men, with big shoulders, backs, arms, and chests. However, it can be harmful, with excessive testosterone and oversized muscles causing health issues. Our bodies limit muscularity, and men with outlier genetics or performance-enhancing drugs can go beyond the ideal level, making it difficult to determine how muscular is too muscular. The ideal body fat percentage. Body fat is the most important factor in attractiveness, with leaner bodies considered more attractive. The average person's propensity to overeat is genetic and environmental, but naturally thin guys can maintain a healthy body fat percentage between 9 to 15%. How body fat and muscle affects your face. Improved body fat percentages can significantly alter the appearance of your face. High body fat percentages can result in rounder jawlines, smoother necks, and loss of facial definition. A protein-rich diet holds on to more muscle, while exercise and a balanced diet improve skin tone and appearance. Maintaining a 9 to 20% body fat percentage is ideal for overall health. Building a more masculine physique. Men with larger, leaner bodies are more muscular, while women can identify their masculinity through body language, stride, voice, and scent. Testosterone affects personalities, ambition, aggression, and confidence, with significant variance. Younger women prefer thinner, androgynous men, while more masculine women are drawn to more feminine men. Long-term relationships may cause lower testosterone levels, but maintaining strength and health is crucial. How posture affects your appearance. Research suggests that a dominant, open, and expansive posture can make men appear more attractive. However, the impact of posture on health and performance remains debated. Strengthening muscles through exercises and physical activity can significantly improve posture. The ideal male proportions. The ideal shoulder-to-waist ratio. The ideal male shoulder-to-waist ratio is 1.618 to 1, but women often prefer men with broader shoulders. Strong men have more muscle packed around their shoulder girdles, including big deltoids, chests, upper backs, and necks. To improve appearance, build more muscle, especially in the upper body, especially in the shoulders. Focus on building a muscular overall physique, including big compound lifts and biceps curls, triceps extensions, and lateral raises. Ideal body part measurements. To achieve ideal muscle proportions, measure your waist size and estimate the rest of your body fat percentage. Calculate the ideal waist circumference, hip circumference, thigh circumference, shoulder circumference, bicep circumference, neck circumference, and forearm circumference. These proportions align with ancient Greek warrior statues and modern romance novel cover models, and naturally skinny guys can achieve them within a couple of years. Conclusion. Research shows that women are most attracted to fit, athletic, lean, and strong men, not bodybuilders. They prefer healthy, sustainable physiques that can be built within a few months. But who cares? As long as you do it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.